Dolphin.
Dolphin. They told me it was a whatchamacallit, not a dolphin, but the other.
Seal or a whale?
Not a whale.
Seal.
No.
A walrus.
No.
Well, let's go, girls.
Hello. Hello. We are the clown.
Okay.
Yeah. This is my baby Marianne. Hello. This is my baby. Wow. This is me and Candace's baby whale. And this is my baby bunny.
No.
If you're somebody special, you are somebody special.